Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to unbox this Hindware Atlantic water heater. This is the instant geyser. This is written here family fresh hot water. Once again I am telling you, this is instant geyser of 3 liter 3000 watt capacity. This is 5 year this 522 are the warranties, 5 years on the warranty on the tank. This is 2 years on the heating element, and third 2 is the overall warranty of the product. And the product name is written here Immedio Blue Intelli 5. And if you turn over the box, you will get something written on the pack. It is written here 5 intelligent reasons for advanced thermal comfort. Number 1, superior safety, the shield of protection. Number 2, robust construction ensures enhanced life of the heater. Number 3, thermostat, effective heating with energy saving feature. Number 4, class 1 working pressure, operates at a working pressure of 0.65 MPa. Number 5, this is pressure release valve. If you turn it over, this side it is written here, this is 3000 watt power 3 liter geyser, 2.5 kg is the net weight, vertical mounting, and the price of the product is written here 4590, but I've got this product at only 1900 rupees from the Flipkart Big Billion Days. This is the Hindware Care. You can get in touch with these numbers, and this is the app developed by the Hindware, by which you can do several things with this app. Now we're going to open this product. You can see the good packaging the company has sent the product. This is the white color, and the model name is written on the front of this geyser. This is the wire without any 3-pin top. You have to buy separately the 3-pin top. This is the template for mounting. This is documentation, and these are the screws by which you can mount this geyser with the wall. Now this is the Hindware Atlantic written here with a red color, Immedio Blue in black color in a blue patch. These are the indicators, red indicator and green indicator. Red indicator for the hot water is there or not, it will indicate, and the green indicator is the main line, line is there or not, it will indicate. Bottom side of the geyser has one outlet and one inlet, outlet in red color and inlet in blue color. And this is the top view of this geyser. This is the back side of the geyser. 4 grooves are there, you can see, by which you can mount this, but only 2 are sufficient. This is the overall view of this geyser, and now we will show you after mounting this geyser in my bathroom. You see already we have mounted this one, and line is there, and this is already, the indicator is glowing as red. That means already it has hot water inside it. So now I'm telling you these 2 pipes. So one pipe, this one is water is going inside the geyser through the blue inlet, and after getting heated up inside the geyser, the water is hot water is coming down through the red outlet, and finally it will go to tap. If you turn it on, you'll get the hot water. Due to thermostat, the heating element once again started working. Green light will turn on, and in this way it will work. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.